Good afternoon from us here at Carlton Motor Company in Darlington. Here we have the 2016 VW Transporter, the Trendline. It's done 127,000 miles. It's one owner, direct. It's got full service printout. It's immaculate inside and out. As you can see, all the seats are clean, the floors. It is the 5-seater Combi van, which is ideal for work, for families, and also if you were thinking of changing it into a camper van or a day van, it's got a great start with the windows and everything there for you. It's got the luggage and boot space in the rear still. Very clean. If you'd like more information on the van, it's available to view on the website, or if you give our sales team a call, we're always happy to help. Thanks for watching the video. Cheers.